How to generate quotes using the ICE app? Go and select the quote button given below. Select the type of insurance your client needs. Enter your client's name. Other details like gender, family members, and date of birth, etc. Select medical history of family members. Add disease, if any. Now fill PIN code for all members. Select the option Same for all if all living at one place. Select annual income of the client. Choose which type of health insurance client needs. Now finally click on the Generate Quote button. How to compare policies? Now you can easily compare the different policies by just clicking on the quote button in the lead section that is available for your client. Here you can compare different policies and choose the right one. To compare, click on the option given on the top right side of the screen. Tap on Compare. Select the policies you want to compare. Click on the Compare button given below. Now you can compare all the details for different policies. How to prepare a proposal form and make payment? Go to the quote section. Select the policy and tap on the Buy button. This is the proposal form where you need to fill all the mandatory details. In the Proposer section, fill the details of the person who will be liable to pay the premium. In the Insured Members section, fill all the details of the members who will be covered in the policy. If the proposer is also covered in the policy, then select this option. To add another member, click here and fill the details again. In the Medical and Lifestyle section, select the options as per client's medical history and preferences. Now here you can add nominee details, the person who will get the policy claim in case of death of an insured member. You can review all the details before final submission. Now click on the Make Payment button. Select your preferred mode of transaction and tap on Pay Now.